Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to take you guys around and basically show you how to decorate your house very minimal, meaning living the minimalistic life and having a clean and cozy house. So I'm going to start in the kids room and I hope you enjoy it. Thank you guys. So if you look on my daughter's bed, I have a couple of pillows for her. I really like this girl boss pillow. It was given to me by a friend for her. And her comforter and her bed sheet. And just keep it simple. She likes her teddy bear, so I keep it there for her. My son usually has a teddy bear as well, but currently we don't know what happened to that teddy bear. Disappeared. But yeah, the bed is simple. I do not have a lot of things in the middle of the room, and that's how you want to keep it, guys, just to keep it clean. Being minimal doesn't mean that your room has to be empty or your house has to be empty of stuff, but it just have to be less than your normal person, less than usual. So if you see on the wall, I have a couple of art pieces, and I kept the jacket to what they're wearing for the season. My daughter and both of my son jacket, and that's it. I don't want to have more than what they need because it becomes overwhelming. So guys, now we are in the upstairs living room, which is my formal living room. And guys, if you look at the living room, it only has what you need. I do not want things to be collecting dust and collecting basically clutter. This is what happens, and then people in the middle of spring start giving things to Goodwill because they have things in their house that they do not need. So let's try to avoid that, guys. In 2019, only purchase the things you do need, and if you do want it, then it has to have a purpose in your house, right? So you're not just collecting dust. So as you can see, everything that is there has a purpose. So my formal dining room is right next to my formal living room. It's basically a large open space, and we divide it into three. And I'm going to talk about the third space that we have there upstairs. So if you look on the dining room table, it's basically a charger, a plate, a smaller plate, which is a salad plate, and a wine glass. So everything that's there basically is needed, apart from the table behind it, which is for decoration purposes. And I just like things to flow. I don't want things to be overwhelming where it looks like it's just placed there just because. So starting a clean, fresh house for New Year, you just need to get rid of things you don't need, guys. And I cannot stress this enough. Basically, have things in your home that you need, because you do not have to go and purchase another one again. If it's just something that you want, what you're going to do is purchasing different things because you just want it, guys. So again, let's try avoiding that. So guys, now we're entering my entryway. And my entryway is not big, but I'm working with what I have. And just keeping it clean and fresh for 2019. In January 2019, I believe the 1st, I removed all Christmas decoration and I kept things that can go for winter, and going into spring I'm going to change and add more floral pieces. Again, just things that you do need to revamp your home. So in 2019, guys, let's try to avoid the old way and just keep that place very clean. That's how you can have a minimalistic place. You don't have to get rid of everything all at once to begin living minimalistic, but you can start little by little. As you can see, I have two, I believe, linters. That's how you call them. They're the larger size. And my art gallery or my art piece and the two sconces on the wall. And in the middle of the table, also have decor pieces just to keep it flowing together. Now we're entering my living room, guys, and I'm going to give you an overview of the living room.